We have arrived in Marco Island and it was a beautiful sail. And now it's time to go explore. So I've heard great things about this anchorage, and other than the little bit of construction going on in the back, it's been very quiet and very nice. We are in Factory Bay, and you can go into a place called Rose Marina, pay $5.35, and have a little dinghy dock. There's also a place to rent bicycles, which you're gonna go check out right now. Wow. Here's the handsome bird. Are you ready? You ready to go ride a bike? We're gonna teach you how to ride a bike today. At the tender age of whatever you are in parrot years. Can I have a kiss? No, not excited.
Something tells me there's a good time coming. Just wait and see. You got to put a little faith in something. Might as well be with me. You feel it when the bass starts grooving. Go ahead and move your feet. Around here we ain't afraid of nothing. Dancing like no one sees. I feel free, so free.
Atlas, what is it that you're doing back? Who's that?
I feel free, so free.
I wonder how we do intersections.
I don't know.
Will we just kind of own the road? Like,
I'm getting scared. You're riding the edge pretty.
feel like a tourist?
Yeah.
Camp Resort.
Huh.
I could picture someone crashing this into someone. I would never take this down a hill.
We've arrived at the Critter Cafe, and we're gonna see what delectable treats they have for you. Mwah. Oh, that's cute.
Litter bag.
Okay. Look here. I'd like to make a turn here.
We are now going to take this vehicle through the drive-thru. It has 4 wheels. I think we can do it. What, you know what I like?
Can I get a skinny vanilla latte, grande? Hot?
Why don't you get a shot of espresso?
Oh,
Get a shot of espresso, because you can have that fast. Yeah, high octane. We gotta
what do
fuel
you-
this. We gotta fuel this beast.
that will be all, thank you.
It'll be $67. Yes. What are you gonna do when you find out I have not been pedaling this whole time?
Well, I'm gonna be the one that benefits from a good workout. An exciting, adventurous workout.
Okay, here is the biggest challenge of the day is going to be this speed
Okay,
bump.
wait, we need a run up.
This pedal car is fueled by Starbucks coffee. Woo, pooper. Ah.
Yeah. Babe, ting ting. Okay, so
Now where to? Thank you. Oh, coffee
should-
for Atlas.
we should make our
Pull it out,
way
bud.
to
He's gonna punch a hole in it.
Tiger Tail, I guess.
Tiger Tail, here we come.
Are we gonna go for lunch first? What do you want to do?
I don't feel like we've worked up enough of an appetite yet.
Okay.
Okay, I'm literally scared right now. The brakes on here are, I mean, if I'm generous, I'm gonna call them dodgy or sketchy.
Should we go on the sidewalk?
No, I mean, it's a bicycle, so I think we go in the bike lane. I think. I'm scared.
My bag.
Okay, update. We are halfway through our journey. and it is a lot more work than we thought it was gonna be.
Halfway.
I'm always an optimist. Alright, so here's my main critiques about the bike. Uphill, there's no gears, so you better pedal hard. And if it starts raining, we're in big trouble. I don't know, we're gonna see how it all pans out. We're about halfway through our trip today. We're at Tiger Tail Beach and we're gonna go check out the sand.
Like that, because whoever picks this thing up to try steal it, well, congratulations. Like.
I slept all night on a big white ship. Seagulls were dancing all around. I woke up with a sunrise on the sea. Such a precious gift to me. The salty breeze and the waves, the slow pace. The salty breeze and the waves. Yesterday we followed the road of the moon. We drove all day towards the coast. It remembered me, the beauty of this life. Such a feeling to be alive.
It's funny, the #1 question I get when we're in public with this guy is he real? And the second one is it your pet? It's so funny. All right, we loved the beach. It was beautiful. It's starting to get windy and the rain is coming, my friend, and we do not have a bimini top on this sucker.
Okay.
So we are pedaling as fast as we can and we're gonna hit a burger joint, which is 1.5 miles away, and check out the best burger in town at a place called the Pink Flamingo, is that right?
Crazy Flamingo.
Crazy Flamingo, they named it after me. So we're gonna do that and then we hope that it's not torrential downpour by the time we get this bad boy back.
Speed bump.
Cross your fingers.
We're taking the high road. I'm setting the sun, I'm ready to run.
I don't know.
I give you the fall, spring, singing a song. We're taking the high road. We're taking the high road. We're finally awakened. We're taking the high road.
Someone stole our whip.
Now watch me whip.
Watch me. Our seats are gonna be so wet. Oh my.
Damn it, and I wore cotton underwear today.
Uh-oh. So we have enjoyed a
Watch out your
few.
legs.
We've enjoyed a few beers. Atlas has been very popular in the Crazy Bird Bar. They took pictures of him with their sign. Actually, their owner just passed away, which was really sad. So they asked if we would take a picture of Atlas with a picture of the former owner who passed away. And they bought us a couple beers. So now we're gonna try to hightail it. My butt is so wet now. Oh my gosh. We're gonna try to hightail it back to the bike rental place in time so we don't have to take this baby home for the night. Let's go. Yeah, ring the bell. Woo!
It's on a scale of 1 to wet.
We're like,
What's your butt feeling?
my butt is fully saturated. Thank you
But
very
you know
much.
what? We've got a smell from ear to ear.
What are you doing? I'm trying not for you to like run me into these things. Okay. All right. Let's try to make it as fast as we can. my lung's going to explode and I don't know how I'm gonna walk another 1.5 miles back to the boat right now, but we'll worry about that later. Farewell. Farewell and good riddance. And we're back. We had such a fun time on Marco Island and I definitely recommend it. I'd do it again. Hey you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and I will see you next time on Sailing with Lone Star.